mean, like, you have to understand where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Like, we've been dealing with these we've been going through. We've been in this spot for a while. This isn't like a new. This isn't like a new. This isn't like a new.
Sorry, it's my washing machine.
It sounds like an ice cream truck. Anyway,
It usually does like 30 seconds. It's like a long song.
it's really long.
Okay,
My God.
it should be done.
Okay. What I've been.
I'm just gonna go change. I'm just gonna go put it in the
God.
dryer. Okay. Okay. Just hold on just a second.